Hello, how's everyone's doing? We're on the second videos of Vietnamese Wordplay 101, and this time is all about rhymes. But bear in mind, we're dealing with short rhythmic catchphrases only. Poems with rules on where to rhymes can wait. Off we go.
Lên lóc nhà là bắt con gà, chọc tiết gà là chọc tiết gà, vặt lông gà là vặt lông gà, ăn thịt gà là ăn thịt gà. Anh em mình là một gia đình là chơi hết mình.
Have you heard this cheesy song before? It features some of the recent catchphrases that young people come up with so they can sound cool online. Gà rhymes with nhà. The lyric means going up the roof to catch some chicken which might have escaped there earlier. Other rhymes in the song include anh em mình là một gia đình là chơi hết mình. It appeals to everyone in this inclusive electronic dance party to have fun to the fullest. Rhymes in Vietnamese are great fun when they are deliberately planted on words that can make you giggle. Hanoi không vội được đâu is something you may encounter in the daily commute through the city's insane traffic, most likely on the back of a truck that never seemed to move forwards. In Hanoi, you just can't hurry. Vội rhymes with nội, as you can see. Thích thì nhích. This is nhích. And it rhymes with thích, which is of course to like someone. If you like someone, make a move. Say the one who never does. Nhà mặt phố, bố làm to. Phố rhymes with bố. I love this one, it's old school but golden. In Vietnam, where every street can be a high street, you'll hit the jackpot if your house is on mặt phố, the face of the street, aka street side, making money from leasing the ground floor or more. Even better if your dad làm to, which means he's in a position of power in some organization, you've secured a good fortune. Altogether, the catchphrase talks about someone who's more privileged than others. You can have a go at producing the next rhymes. I'll give you some incomplete catchphrases and you'll choose the correct words to fill in the blanks.
Không chê em nghèo thì lên xe em đèo. If me being poor doesn't bother you, hop on my bike, I'll drive you around. Nhan sắc có hạn, thủ đoạn vô biên. People who are not only deemed not pretty, but also have an unlimited amount of dirty tricks up their sleeves. Khoai to, handsome with a big potato. It's a slang for men's penis. Mua tiền cũng được. Money you can even buy a ferry. Tránh miếng ăn. If you're familiar with the concept of trời, it basically means heaven or God. Our old folks believed that even if God were to beat you, God wouldn't do so when you were having a meal. So please let people eat in peace and leave either bad news or arguments until later.
How did you do? Rhymes are great fun because apart from the common ones, you can always create your own. In fact, most of the catchphrases I mentioned earlier are recent works of our peeps on the internet. Can you impress us with your own rhymes in the comments? Have a go. We love to read them. Thanks, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!